Hello student, today I explain exercise 5.1 question number 1. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? Now first part 4x square minus 3x plus 7, and you see the variable is x, therefore this is yes. We write down y square plus root 2, and the variable y, there is the one variable only, then we write down the yes. Now 3 root 2 plus t root 2, and we see the t power 1 by 2. This is not whole number, then we say that this is not therefore because exponents of the variable is not a whole number. Okay, now you see the y plus 2 upon y. Now when we write the y power n minus, this is not whole number, then we write down no. Same reason. Now x raised to power 10 plus y raised to power 3 plus t raised to power 50. We write in the no, because you see the variable x, y, t, three variable is there. Because this is a three variable x, y, t, then we write on the no answer. Now question number 2, write the coefficient of x square. Now you see the first part 2 plus x square plus x. Then here we see the which number is there. We write in the answer 1. X square here we see the what is the sign here minus, and number we see the minus 1, then x square coefficient we write on minus 1 here, and x square here the coefficient 1, here we see the minus 1. Now you see the x square coefficient here pi by 2, we write on the answer pi by 2. Now here the x square not there, then what is the coefficient here? Write down the 0. This is the answer. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. Binomial meaning two terms is there. There is the degree given 35, x 35 plus 5. More example write down yourself also. This is the answer. Now monomial of degree 100. Now x raised to power 100. Monomial there is the one term. Binomial there are two terms, 1 and 2. This is the answer. Now you see the question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. First part 5x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x. Then what is the meaning of degree? Highest power. And we see the here power 3, here 2 and here 1. Which is the highest power here? 3. Then 3 is the answer. Now you see here the power 2, then highest degree here 2 answer. Now you see the here 5t minus root 7, highest power here 1, then we write down degree 1 answer. 3 here is the x, we write down x raised to power 0, that means 1, then 3 into 1 equal 3, then 3x power 0, then we write down degree here 0 answer. Now question number 5, classify the following a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Now you see the here highest power if 1, then we say the linear, if quadratic power 2 and cubic power 3. Highest power we check it there, and if highest power is 2 or degree 2, then we say the quadratic. If highest power 1, then degree 1, then we say the linear. If highest power is 3, then degree 3, then we say the cubic polynomial. Now here the power 2 is there, then we write down the quadratic. Here the highest power 3, then we write down the cubic. Here highest power 2 is there, we write down the quadratic. Then here the highest power is 1, we write down linear. Here the highest power 1, then we write down the linear. Here highest power is 2, then we write down quadratic. Here is the highest power 3, then we write down cubic polynomial answer. Now you see the exercise 2.2 question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at x equals 0, x equals minus 1, x equals 2. First part, and we see the 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Now here x equals 0, you put it here. X equals 0, 5 into 0, 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0 plus 3. Then 3 answer. 0 minus 0 plus 3, 3 answer. Now second part. Again we write on the questions 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Here you put the x equal minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4 minus 1 square plus 3 plus into minus 5, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 4 into 1, 4 plus 3 minus 1 square 1. Be carefully we write down. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 plus 3 minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 answer. Now you see the third part. Five x minus 4x square plus 3. Now here x equal to, you put it here. X equal to 5 into 2, 4 into 2 square plus 3, 5 to the 10, 4 for the 16, 2 square 4, 4 into 4 16 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 13 minus 16 minus 3. Answer exercise 2.2, question number 2. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomial. Now first part, Py equal y square minus y plus 1. P0 first we find out. Then instead of y we write in 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square 0 minus 0 plus 1, 1 answer. Now P1 we see there. Instead of y we write in 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 square 1 minus 1 plus 1. This cancel, 1 answer. Now P2. Instead of y we write in 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 and 1 5 minus 2 3 answer. Now second part, pt equal to plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. First we write down here p, instead of t we write down the 0. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. T value 0, t value 0, here also t value 0. Then this one 0, this one 0 and 0. Now 2 only answer. Now P1. Now t where we write in the 1 plus 2, 1 square, 1 cube, 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 cube, 1 only, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1, 4 answer. Now P2. Where is the t? You write the 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 square minus 2 cube, 2 plus 2, 2 square 4, 4 to the 8, now 2 cube 8, this one cancel, 4. Now answer the question number 2, third part and fourth part. At P0 we find out. Then instead of x we write 0 and x cube 0 cube 0 answer. P1 value find out, then x equal 1 where I know 1 cube 1 answer. P2 value find out, then 2 cube meaning 8 answer write down. Now fourth part. first P0, instead of x we write 0, 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1, minus 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 minus 1 into 1, minus 1, answer P1 we find out. 1 minus 1 x 1, here also 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 0 into 2, 1 plus 1 2, then 0, answer. Now P2 we find out. X there we write on the 2, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 into 3. Now you see the question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial, indicate against them. Check x equal minus 1 by 3 is zeros or not. Then first we put the x value here. X value minus 1 by 3. 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 equals 0. Then if answer is coming 0, then you say that yes. Now second part. X equal 4 by 5. P x value 4 by 5. 5 x value 4 upon 5 minus 5 minus 5 not equal to 0. Therefore I write no. Answer. Now third part. Px equal x square minus 1 comma 1 minus 1. Now we write down P1 x equal 1 value 1 square minus 1 1 minus 1 equals 0. P minus 1 square minus 1 1 minus 1 0. Then both answer 0. Then we write down yes. Answer. Now x equal minus 1 and 2 is there. Then first we write down P x value minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 1 0 into minus 3 equals 0. Now we put the value of 2 plus 1 2 minus 2 plus 1 2 minus 2 2 plus 1 3 2 minus 2 0 equal to 0. Both answer is 0. Then we write down yes. Answer. You see the question number 4. Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. First part, Px equal x plus 5. Then first we write down x plus 5 equals 0. Whenever we finding 0, then what polynomial is given? Equal to 0 write down. Then x equal minus 5. Answer. Now here also x minus 5 equals 0. X equal minus 5, shift to here 5. Answer. Now this one also 2x plus 5 equals 0 write down. 2x equal minus 5. X equal minus 5 upon 2. Answer. Now fourth part, Px equal 3x minus 2. Then 3x minus 2 equal 0 write down. 3x equal 2. X equal 2 upon 3. Answer. Now fifth part, 3x. Then 3x equal 0. X equal 0 upon 3 equal to 0. Answer. Now sixth part, ax equal 0. X equal 0 upon a not equal to 0, then 0 upon a 0. Answer. Now seventh part, px equals cx plus d. C not equal to 0. C comma d are real numbers. Now we write down cx plus d equal to 0. Cx plus d shift to right side minus d. Now x equal minus d upon c. Answer.